Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make peanut butter taste better. Let's start with simple additions. A small pinch of salt can truly elevate the flavor, balancing the sweetness and highlighting those rich, nutty undertones. For a touch of natural sweetness, try stirring in 1 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup. And for a warm, inviting aroma, a dash of cinnamon or nutmeg works wonders, transforming your ordinary spread into something special. Next, let's talk about enhancing texture and richness. For a delightful crunch, stir in 1 tablespoon of your favorite chopped nuts, like almonds or peanuts. To achieve a silkier, more luxurious consistency, blend in about a half teaspoon of coconut oil. If you're looking for a creamy, tangy twist, folding in a 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt can completely transform your peanut butter, making it incredibly smooth and flavorful. Now, let's explore some creative ways to enjoy your enhanced peanut butter. It pairs wonderfully with sliced bananas or apples, creating a timeless and healthy snack. For a delightful indulgence, spread it on toast and sprinkle with a few chocolate chips. You can also mix it into your morning oatmeal or blend it into smoothies for a protein-packed, satisfying meal that's both delicious and nutritious. Don't limit peanut butter to just sweet dishes. It shines in savory applications too. Try using it as a base for rich sauces for chicken or noodles, adding a unique nutty depth. For a quick, spicy snack, spread it on celery sticks and sprinkle with a dash of chili flakes. Remember to store your peanut butter in an airtight container at room temperature, where it will stay fresh for up to 3 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.